so
What is
cute.
it?
Get on. Come on.
That's a nice little dress. I'm seeing the little cheap ones. Oh yeah.
What is it,
Look at
Jakey?
you, big boy. Oh. Look at you, big boy.
Go and get on yours.
Yeah, Madison's got one too. Go.
What a nice freaking bike.
You could have some reaction, Madison.
And a new helmet. Gotta wear your helmet. Now, you think it's big enough for her big head?
Do you like it?
It's pretty.
What is it, Jacob? What is it?
Now you don't have to walk to school.
Is it a bicycle? You have to hold up here. Have Daddy show you how to hold it.
Go over there.
He's holding it by the tassels.
Yeah, I'll find it.
Show him his bell.
We can. Look at your hand, watch.
Oh,
And look, yours is on the right side too.
you always do. That's awesome. You can like spell at people as you go by. Ooh, you and Sissy can go
Do you
riding
like
together.
it?
Good to see you.
Oh. Oh no.
Like you need another step.
Look, I think Santa did good. His feet are gonna fit right on the. What is it?
I got it.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.